The Vision Scientific VS-5F stereo microscope offers a Simul focal trinocular head that makes it easy to observe directly while capturing images or video through a camera or screen at the same time. Its wide zoom range from approximately 7 times to 45 times magnification, combined with parfocal optics, delivers consistently sharp views without constant refocusing as you change power. The generous working distance and smooth double-arm boom stand give you excellent reach and positioning flexibility for inspecting larger samples or awkward assemblies. A solid steel tabletop base and heavy construction keep the microscope very stable, which is especially helpful for fine work that demands minimal vibration. Large rack and pinion focus knobs with adjustable tension provide precise control so you can dial in delicate details comfortably during long sessions. Overall, this microscope feels robust and versatile enough for serious laboratory, quality control, and repair tasks while still being straightforward to operate.